Alright everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. I'm so glad to have you here. Today we're tackling a question I get asked all the time: how to watch Japanese Netflix on your iPhone. Trust me, it's easier than you think. We're talking about unlocking a whole new world of anime, J-dramas, and Japanese movies, right from your phone. So grab your iPhone, get comfy, and let's get started. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel and tech tips. We've got tons of content to help you make the most of your adventures, wherever they may take you. Okay, what are we going to cover in this video? First, I'll explain why you can't just access Japanese Netflix directly. Then, we'll go through the simple steps of using a VPN to bypass those restrictions. We'll talk about choosing the right VPN, connecting to a Japanese server, and finally, accessing that sweet Japanese Netflix library on your iPhone. No complicated tech skills required, I promise. Let's start with the basics. Why can't you just watch Japanese Netflix straight away? Well, Netflix has different content libraries depending on your location. This is due to licensing agreements. Think of it like different TV channels in different countries. They all have different shows. So, how do we trick Netflix into thinking we're in Japan? That's where a VPN comes in. A VPN, or virtual private network, essentially masks your IP address and routes your internet traffic through a server in another location. In this case, a server in Japan. Now, choosing the right VPN is crucial. Not all VPNs are created equal. You'll want to look for a VPN that has servers in Japan. Obvious, but important. Offers fast connection speeds. Nobody wants buffering issues. Has a reliable iPhone app. Is secure and protects your privacy. Look for a VPN with strong encryption and a no-logs policy. I can't recommend specific VPNs in this video, as that would constitute advertising, but do your research. Read reviews, compare features, and choose one that fits your needs and budget.
Look for trusted names.
Most have free trials, so you can test them out first.
Alright, you will chosen your VPN.
Now what? 1. Download and install the VPN app. Head to the App Store and download the app for your chosen VPN provider. 2. Create an account. If needed, most VPNs require you to create an account and potentially subscribe to a paid plan. 3. Open the VPN app. Launch the app on your iPhone. 4. Connect to a Japanese server. This is the crucial step. Look for a list of countries or servers and select one in Japan. Many VPNs will have specific city options like Tokyo or Osaka. 5. Wait for the connection. The app will typically tell you when you're successfully connected. You should see a little VPN icon in your iPhone status bar. Now for the magic. 1. Close and reopen the Netflix app. Force quit the Netflix app on your iPhone. This ensures it refreshes your location. 2. Open Netflix. Launch the Netflix app again. 3. Browse or search. You should now be seeing the Japanese Netflix library. Look for Japanese titles, or search for shows that you know are available in Japan. If you're still seeing your regular Netflix library, double-check that you're connected to a Japanese server in your VPN app. Also, try clearing the Netflix app's cache and data. And that's it. You should now be enjoying Japanese Netflix on your iPhone. How cool is that? Remember, this works not only for Netflix, but also for other streaming services with region-locked content. A quick reminder, always be aware of the terms of service of both Netflix and your chosen VPN. While using a VPN to access different Netflix libraries is generally accepted, it's always good to stay informed. So there you have it, a simple guide to watching Japanese Netflix on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to RoamTips.com for more awesome travel and tech tips. What are you planning to watch first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming. See you in the next video.